Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Roblox player who's been hit with error code 266 in 2025, you're not alone. This pesky error often stems from network issues, software glitches, or even firewall blocks, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through some simple, effective fixes step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be back in your favorite games in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, check your internet connection. Error code 266 is frequently caused by unstable Wi-Fi or connectivity problems. Restart your router, run a speed test, or switch to a wired connection if possible. A stable internet is crucial for Roblox to run smoothly. Next, try a basic restart. Close the Roblox app completely, force quit it if needed, and then reopen it. This can clear temporary glitches that might be triggering the error. It's a quick and easy step that works wonders. Now, make sure Roblox is up to date. Head over to the Roblox website or your device's app store and check for any available updates. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues, especially with the latest 2025 features. If that doesn't do the trick, let's look at your firewall or antivirus settings. Sometimes, security software blocks Roblox from connecting properly. Temporarily disable your antivirus, add Roblox as an exception, and try launching the game again. Remember to re-enable it afterward for safety. Another helpful step is to clear your cache. On Windows, navigate to %local app data %Roblox and delete the temporary files. On Mac or mobile, find similar cache options in your settings. This frees up space and removes corrupted data. If you're still seeing the error, consider reinstalling Roblox. Uninstall the app from your device, then download and install the latest version from the official Roblox site. This is like giving your game a fresh start. There you have it. Straightforward fixes for error code 266. Give these steps a try, and if the problem persists, reach out to Roblox support or check their forums for more specific advice. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next one.